When developing a Windows app using C#, sometimes we need to open a URL in browser. In most cases, the following method should just work. But sometimes, especially during an OAuth 2.0 authentication flow, we could find the URL in the browser address bar is incomplete. Since this method tries to open the URL using File Explorer, the URL is limited to be shorter than 260 characters, which is the maximum path length limitation in Windows. To bypass this limitation, please update the method like this. Now we open the URL using Windows Share. Thus, we can ensure the URL is not modified.